hearty congratulations to all the Canarites and stakeholders on this very auspicious day when we were born on 1st July 1906 by our most revered founder, the illustrious son of the soil. ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಒಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಚೇತನ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಂಬೆಂಬಳ ಸುಬ್ಬರಾವ್ ಪೈ ಅವರು. ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರು. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ही started Canara Bank, 1891 he started Canara High School. तब एक जमाना था सर, हमारा कम्युनिटी का one girl child was not able to step out of her house. At that time he conceptualized only when a girl child is educated, the family, through the family, the society, and through the society, the nation can be empowered, the real woman empowerment. और जो आज हमारा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने नारा दिया है, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, our revered founder Ambedkar Subbarao Pai ji conceptualized in 1894 and he started the first Canara Girls High School. And today if there are millions of girl students who have come up in the life, like our Madam Suchitra ji or any of the ladies, we have to remember Ambedkar Subbarao Pai ji, who said only by educating a girl child, society and the nation can be empowered. Only after that 1st July 1906 he started Canara Bank in this very own building, and today the small seed founded by him today has grown into a big banyan tree with more than 10,416 branches throughout the country as well as abroad, 13,452 ATMs and a business mix of 16,86,030 crores, which contains 10,10,875 crores of deposits and 6,75,555 crores of advances. Today we might have seen our result on 31st March. Bank has posted a profit of 1,010 crores with a gross profit of 2,555 crores for the entire year. Today, Subbarao Pai ji started the bank. He gave one call. A good bank should not only be the financial heart, but also a social heart of the society with an obligation to help each and every who needs banking help. The first board of directors list is here. On the first year itself, bank had earned profit. Though profit was not the motive, bank has endeared itself to all the stakeholders. 1969 we were nationalized, and today we are the biggest bank of the country, and with the amalgamation of our own bank, the syndicate bank which was also born from here, today Canara Bank is the one-stop shop for all the banking needs of the customers. You name the product, we have in Canara Bank. What our father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi ji said, a customer is not an obstruction. Customer is the very purpose of our being in the business. He is the most important visitor on the premises. He is not dependent on us, rather we are dependent on him. He is not an interruption in our work, rather he is the purpose of our being in the bank. He is not an outsider, rather he is everything to us. We are not doing a favor, rather he is doing a favor to us, being given an opportunity to serve him. This is the motto even today Canara Bank preaches as well as practices also. Today we are also and today we rededicate ourselves to the founding principles and ideals of our bank, with which revered founder Ambedkar Subbarao Pai ji founded the bank. The 90,000 strong Canara Bank men and women rededicate ourselves to the founding principles and to all our stakeholders and to our endeared customers to serve them with best of our capacity, with honesty and integrity, with dedication, with devotion and determination.
116th Foundation Day of Canara Bank. He has already, the General Manager has already summarized brilliantly the principles and fundamentals of our founder, late Sri Amamba Subbaraya Pai, and in what context he started this bank in those days, and those concepts today have become actually those have converted into a reality today, and we really need to admire this gentleman for imagining the future of society that so long ago. For me personally, Founders Branch is very closely associated with me, because when I moved to Mangalore in 1988, this was the first branch that this is my first bank account in ever. At the age of 18, I started my bank opening account in Canara Bank Founders Branch as a first year BDS student. And then those were very hard days, so life was very challenging. And then we had to go through my studies, then my post-graduation, where I got a study loan from Founders Branch. And then finished my MDS, and then I wanted to start a clinic. Again, I took the first loan from Canara Bank Founders Branch.
Yes.
And that's how life began. So because of the progress that I made in my personal life through this goodwill of this particular account at Founders Branch, I decided to take the biggest challenge of my life in 2012-13, when I decided to start the biotech research company in Mangalore. It's been a very tough 7-8 years of journey. We are now finally seeing some significant progress as far as the research company is concerned, and I think in the next year or so, the account at Founders Branch of my research company will make Canara Bank proud. We are very close to becoming a very well-known global research organization, probably the only Indian company to have this recognition. And I think the goodwill of the bank, of the Founders Branch, has also been one major contributor to our progress, and I wish to acknowledge that on this occasion.
Today is a very memorable day. As I heard, this is the very place where the branch was started in the year 1906. So, 1st July is a very memorable day for Canara Bank.
Yes.
We as chartered accountants
And doctors
the
also.
fraternity of doctors.
All clear,
I'm very glad. I am honored, really honored and humbled for the recognition granted to me, bestowed to me by Canara Bank. MSMEs, which contribute 70% of the investment and business, investment in business and employment opportunities. Having merged with Syndicate Bank, there is a smooth consolidation. Unlike other mergers, this merger was like cousins getting together.
First class.
ASR Pai Fund, ASR Pai, founder of Canara Bank, was a great visionary and a reformer. Society. There are 3 types of visionaries: short term, long term and perennial. He belongs to the perennial category, and the result of which is Canara Bank becoming one of the strongest banks in the country, and Canara High School Association emerging as the best education institution in Bangalore.
Samadhi may go to